Hello everyone. It's been such a long time since I made any 3D drawing videos, and you guys have been asking me to make one. So here I am with a new 3D drawing video, and today I'm going to be drawing a very nice cube. And for that, we're going to need an A4 paper, a marker. You can use any color, a ruler, B pencil, and any HB pencil for a sketch, and an eraser. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, we need to make sure that our proportions are absolutely correct. Otherwise, this matter is not going to work. So from top, it's 4.5 centimeters. And from left to right, it's 1.8 centimeters. So I'm taking it from 0. So from this point, we have to measure 16 centimeters down. By measuring from 0, from left to right, it's 8 centimeters. Now from this point down, we need to leave 4 centimeters down. And from this point, we need to go from 0 to 4. So that was 8 centimeters, and we need to draw 8 centimeters horizontal line down here. Now draw a line from this point to that point. Now draw another horizontal line, and this one's going to be 10 centimeters. This is going to be again 4 centimeters. Okay, let's go ahead and connect this point to that point, and this point to that point. Okay, slightly off. We can't afford this. Now let's go ahead and connect this point to that point. And there you go. That was the hardest part, guys. Now we just need to go ahead and use any marker and make these lines more visible. Okay, so our shading is done. Now let's go ahead and bend this from the middle so that we can see the result.